Working harder is making you poorer. You wake up early, you skip lunch, you stay late, you're doing everything right, and somehow, you're still broke. Not just broke, you're getting further behind. And here's the part no one tells you. Working harder is the reason why. The trap is by design. There's a concept economists call the time trap, and most people walk directly into it every single day. The time trap is simple. The more time you trade for money, the less money you actually keep. Because time is the only resource you can never get back. And the system, your job, your taxes, your spending habits, is specifically designed to take as much of it as possible. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the trap works, and more importantly, how the wealthiest people in the world think about time completely differently to you. Scarcity mindset equals 13 IQ points. Lost. Let me give you two people. Person A earns £60,000 a year. They work 50 hours a week. They're at the office by 7:30, home by 7 p.m. They're exhausted. They deserve a holiday, so they book one. They spend money on things that make them feel better about the grind. Clothes, takeaways, the upgrade on the flight. Person B earns £35,000 a year. They work 32 hours. They don't feel the same kind of tired, so they don't spend the same way. And they invest £800 a month. 10 years later, who do you think is wealthier? You probably said person B. And you'd be right. But here's what's actually terrifying. It's not about the income difference. It's about what psychologists call the exhaustion spending loop. The more depleted your mental energy, the more impulsive your financial decisions become. This is documented. Researchers at Princeton found that poverty, or more precisely the feeling of scarcity, actively reduces your cognitive bandwidth by the equivalent of 13 IQ points. You're not making bad money decisions because you're bad with money. You're making them because you're tired. And the system that's making you tired is the same system profiting from those decisions. Salary pays once, assets pay forever. The wealthy don't sell time. They engineer systems that generate money while they sleep. Now I know what you're thinking. That's easy to say if you already have money. And you're right, it is easier. But here's the difference in thinking that makes it possible. The average person asks, how much does this pay per hour? The wealthy person asks, how many times can this asset pay me? A salary pays you once. An investment pays you indefinitely. A digital product pays you while you sleep. A business with systems pays you when you're on holiday. The time trap isn't just about the hours you work. It's about believing that your time is the only thing of value you have to offer. And that belief, right there, is what keeps people broke. Your real hourly rate might shock you. So what do you actually do with this? 3 things. Starting this week. 1. Calculate your real hourly rate. Take your salary. Subtract commute time, preparation time, decompression time. That's your real rate. It's probably shocking. 2. Identify one thing you currently spend money on that's purely to cope with exhaustion. That's the time trap spending in action. 3. Take the smallest possible step toward an income source that isn't purely time for money. A high-interest account, an index fund, one digital skill you can eventually monetize. The goal isn't to quit your job tomorrow. The goal is to stop trading every hour for every pound, forever. The time trap isn't something that happens to unlucky people. It's something designed into the system we're all living inside. But the moment you see it, really see it, it loses its power. Next video, we're going to look at trap number 2, the identity trap. And this one is even more dangerous because it's invisible. It's inside your own head. Subscribe now, because if you've recognized yourself in this video, you need what's coming next. Trap 2. The lifestyle trap that looks like success is coming. Subscribe.